Welcome to my review of Cpaecom, an affiliate marketing platform that has been gaining attention recently. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest user experience with Cpaecom, diving deep into the interface, its features, and the pros and cons of using the platform. If you're looking to get into affiliate marketing, or if you're already an affiliate marketer, this video is for you. When you first visit Cpaecom, the interface is clean and easy to navigate. The sign-up process is straightforward, and they provide all the essential tools you need to get started. The dashboard is intuitive, displaying relevant metrics, stats, and campaigns that you can easily track. You'll also find a variety of offers, and I'll go over how the offer selection works shortly. Point one of the standout features of Cpaecom is its wide variety of CPA, cost per action, offers. Whether you're looking to promote ads, products, or services, Cpaecom has options that suit different niches and geographic targets. Their offers are high quality, and I found the payout structure to be competitive, with timely payments, which is always a plus in affiliate marketing. Many of the top offers are available with a variety of promotional materials, including banners, email swipes, and landing pages. If you're new to affiliate marketing, you'll appreciate how easy it is to integrate these materials into your campaigns. Even if you're an experienced marketer, you can take advantage of the extensive tools that come with the platform. The platform also has a robust support system. I've contacted Cpaecom support a few times, and I've received quick and helpful responses. This level of customer service is important, especially if you're trying to scale your affiliate business. The only downside I've experienced is that, like many affiliate networks, there's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to optimizing campaigns for maximum profit. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check them out after watching. Overall, I think Cpaecom is a solid choice for both new and experienced affiliate marketers. The platform's features, diverse offers, and solid support make it worth considering for your affiliate campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tips on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.